Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.